What's good, YouTube? My name is King Infinity, and if you've never seen this beautiful face before, please consider subscribing to my channel and turn on those post notifications. Today, I'm going to be taking down my hair, and I twisted my hair up by myself. Yeah, I know you see it. And I think I did a pretty good job, but it's been about 2 weeks and I have not washed my hair. Also, I went to Walmart and picked up some new shampoo and conditioner. This is the new Suave Professionals with natural shea butter and pure coconut oil sulfate-free cleansing shampoo. And this, the new Suave Professional with natural shea butter and pure coconut oil moisturizing curl conditioner. I'm going to be trying these products in my hair, but this video is not sponsored. So let's get into the takedown.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Now, let's get into my wash day routine. So the first thing I'm doing here is rinsing out my hair, and I did not pick it out because I'm trying to stay away from picks. I'd rather use my fingers to finger detangle. You guys can see how long my hair is getting. A little pull from the front, show where the hair is. Show where the hair is. Ooh, by the lip, boy. After my hair is fully saturated, I'm going to take some of the Suave shampoo, and one important thing to take note of is that I'm focusing the shampoo mainly on my roots. That is where most of the buildup is, and I want to break it up and make sure that I get it out of my head. Right here, I'm showing you a close-up of exactly what I'm doing. Make sure that you're rinsing out your hair properly and thoroughly. Leaving any shampoo in your hair can cause your hair to be dry and ultimately damage your hair. So make sure you're properly rinsing your hair. With these ouchless ponytail holders, I'm going to start to section off my hair so I can start detangling. Now I'm going to go in with the Suave conditioner, and this is a detangling brush that I bought from Walmart. I saw it and I wanted to test it out, and it's pretty good. Make sure when you're detangling your hair, you start from the ends of your hair and work your way down. If you do the opposite, then you're just going to be ripping out your hair. So fellas, please be careful when you're trying to detangle your hair. Take your time and make sure you're being careful with what you're doing. thing I started to do with the top 2 sections of my hair is that I would detangle one small section and then twist it. I found that doing this defined my curls a little bit more, and it helped me keep my hair out of the way. Here you just see me repeating the process I did on one side of my head to the other. I kept my hair in the twist while I finished up my shower, and now that it is time to rinse, I'm going to untwist my hair and then I'm going to rinse out my hair thoroughly. One thing you can do to clump your curls together is give your head a little shake. You want to shake it up so those curls can clump together, man. Now again, you want to make sure that you're rinsing your hair out thoroughly. It's not that bad to leave conditioner in your hair as much as shampoo, but leaving conditioner in your hair can cause buildup. What you see me doing here is shaking off excess water from my hair. Alright, so this is the end of my wash day routine, and if you want to see the products that I usually use to moisturize my hair, click this right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Subscribing helps me out tremendously. Also, leave a like down below. I would like for this video to get at least 150 likes, and I know you guys will smash that for me. So with all that being said, this is the curly headed king signing off on the fam.